Thousands of local jobs right at your fingertips at KELOLAND Employment. Search, research area employers, even create job email alerts. Your job search just got easier with KELOLAND Employment at KELOLAND.com.
We have the latest on the spread of COVID-19 through South Dakota, including the latest from Sioux Falls city officials.
And we've got the details about what one university is doing to help fight the pandemic. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day. Police were kept busy overnight at a Sioux Falls apartment complex. Sioux Falls police responded to the Arnold's Park apartments at West Bailey Street and North Prairie Avenue at 10 o'clock last night for reports of gunshots. Our news crew was on scene and captured this video. Police say a shot was fired inside the building. No one was hurt. The incident is under investigation. The latest COVID-19 numbers from the South Dakota Department of Health now include 11 deaths, more than 2,200 positive case results, and just over 1,200 recovered cases. We've also learned about possible COVID-19 exposure at Sioux Falls at Thornton Flooring. According to the state, an employee who had the potential to spread the virus was working on April 16th, 17th, and 18th. The state says if you visited the business on those days, you should keep an eye out for symptoms for 2 weeks. While classrooms are sitting empty across KELOLAND, one lab at the School of Mines is busy making hand sanitizers for healthcare workers. Monument Health bought the necessary materials for the university to make around 225 gallons of sanitizer.
Here at the School of Mines, we're scientists and engineers. That's what we do. And essentially what all of scientists and engineers do for a living is what do we got to do to solve a problem. The South Dakota School of Mines used the recipe to make hand sanitizer on the World Health Organization's website. Well, it seems like spring has finally sprung across KELOLAND. But is the mild weather here to stay? Let's find out with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
Well, at least it looks like most of this week is going to be at or above normal. Today, especially true, and it looks like rain-free for most of the day as well. We've had some patches of showers and thunderstorms south of us toward Kansas City. Some of those actually started around Sioux City last night, but that's all moved toward Des Moines and then also a fetch of moisture up toward the Twin Cities. Now, the forecast for tonight and tomorrow, we're going to feature a developing system coming in out of Montana, and you can see that patch of rain right over us as we get into the forecast, and we're going to talk more about that coming up in just a few minutes.
Thanks, Brian. The drug hydroxychloroquine has been in the news for weeks now after being touted by President Trump as a potential treatment for COVID-19. South Dakota hospitals are preparing to launch their own clinical trials, but the demand has also led to a shortage of the drug for those who really need it. We spoke with one woman who has been on hydroxychloroquine for nearly 20 years to treat her lupus. She ordered a 3-month supply when she heard Trump mention it, but she's worried about being able to continue on it.
You know, I would just like to keep what I have at bay, and I'd hate to give it up, you know, because it worked for something else.
You know, it might not be your local pharmacy that you can get it from. You may have to go across the street or to a different pharmacy, but it looks like it's probably available at Last Resource. Compounding pharmacies are available as well. We do have the bulk powder here at our pharmacy and could potentially help out in a shortage situation.
So far, South Dakota pharmacists have not seen a price hike of the drug.
Medical advocacy groups have written a joint letter to the White House asking that the coronavirus task force monitor and control prices of hydroxychloroquine to ensure those who need the drug can still get it.
The reconstruction project of the historic 8th Street Bridge in downtown Sioux Falls is underway, and due to the coronavirus pandemic and other factors, the timing of remodeling the bridge couldn't be better.
Because of the threat of coronavirus, a lot of businesses in the area are closed, and the weather has been ideal for crews to work, and there's no longer a threat of spring flooding.
And so we were really concerned about what the river levels will do to the construction on this bridge. But
the reconstruction is expected to cost $7 million, which the city says is cheaper than building a new bridge. The bridge is scheduled to be back open to traffic this fall.
A famous DIY couple is tapping a former KELOLAND couple for a new reality show. Taylor Kalmus is from Howard, South Dakota, and his wife Heidi from Fargo will star in Super Dad. It's a show that'll be on Chip and Joanna Gaines' new Magnolia network.
The show will look at their family life and show Taylor helping other dads build cool things for their children. Taylor says the show happened after he challenged Chip to a build-off and then met him.
His exact words were, has anybody told you yet? I'm about to change your life. I want to put you on TV.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Chip and Joanna have delayed the launch of their network, so Taylor and Heidi aren't sure when their show will premiere. We will update you when we find out. Brian?
All right. Forecast today. Well, excellent weather to be outside. We've got sunshine. We've got 70-degree weather. A couple spots will probably touch 80. Valentine, Nebraska could be at 84 this afternoon. But will we see rain tonight? I think we will. We'll watch this system coming in out of the northwest, and it'll likely get its act together East River. So for Pierre, we're talking scattered showers. I think that chance of rain will be about 30%. Rapid City, it's around a 20 to 30% level as well. But for Aberdeen, it's much higher. We're talking 70, 80% chance of rain. Even Sioux Falls will pick up a good chance of rain late tonight after midnight and through daybreak tomorrow morning. And it looks like the heavier totals will be north of Sioux Falls. So Brookings, Watertown, this one may have your number. Wind tomorrow. Winds will be strong in Rapid City. They could be near 50 in the afternoon. I'm thinking Sioux Falls also will pick up wind. And then on top of that, we might be able to brew up and spark a couple thunderstorms or a shower in the afternoon, James Valley and points east. And then that'll kind of wrap up this system. Midweek temps are a bit cooler, and then we'll get off and running into warmer weather to finish up the work week. Maybe a half-inch of rain in Sioux Falls. It's possible. Keep an eye on that. Those 70s today, though, are going to feel good. And if you love 70s, you're going to love the end of the forecast. 72 on Thursday, 80 on Friday, and we'll hit 70s again on Saturday. But a chance of rain could come back to the region by the start of the weekend. Aberdeen, too, will climb a little bit by Thursday and Friday. Overall, very spring-like forecast. Again, good bit of rain tonight in Aberdeen. Tomorrow in Pierre, we'll have some sunshine in the afternoon, still at 71. And look at these 80s coming later in the week. Rapid City, 85 on Thursday. Guys?
Thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.